Datavideo Academy. Dive into data video with ease. Congratulations on getting your Datavideo equipment. Ready to become a pro at using it? If the manual feels a bit overwhelming, don't worry, you're not alone. Studies show that we only retain 10% of what we read, 30% of what we hear, and 50% of what we see in videos. That's why so many people prefer learning through video content. Welcome to Datavideo Academy, a straightforward and easy way to learn. With our stress-free visual learning platform, you can effortlessly grasp the concepts and skills needed for broadcasting and live AV production. Dive into our engaging videos, and you'll be a Datavideo expert in no time. The equipment looks complicated. Don't worry, the rich product teaching videos in the Datavideo Academy allow you to begin quickly and painlessly and immediately become an equipment operation expert. Follow the video step by step, and you will find that the original Datavideo equipment is simple and easy to operate. Various equipment courses are available to meet your needs. The Academy has a team of professional instructors from Datavideo to provide professional guidance and share practical applications in broadcasting and AV. Our platform fosters connections beyond traditional learning. Engage with lecturers and peers in forums to create a community and enhance your learning experience. 4K multi-camera guide, single-person online and offline mixed activities. Datavideo provides a variety of thematic overall solution courses. We help you integrate various Datavideo equipment so that you can get the whole workflow picture in a single course. Datavideo Academy offers AVIXA-certified broadcasting technology courses. Completing these courses earns you CTS and CTSIRU credits, boosting your job search prospects. Datavideo Academy is Datavideo's most intimate service for product users. It's your guide tutor. No matter when or where you are, Datavideo Academy is your best personal guide tutor for equipment operation. You will have a 24-hour on-call instructor to assist in solving your problems. The user-friendly online learning platform is designed to allow you to learn at your own pace. Datavideo Academy offers clear and comprehensive educational content, helping you quickly understand our equipment and boost your productivity. Open to the world, free to learn. Datavideo Academy.